Godriwala Jail Baba Gilaram. Story 7 Supernatural Life Sant Baba had Ashram. Lord Godriwala. English translation. Part 2. While studying in primary school, Baba once complained to his teacher about a grandmother. On complaining, the teacher punished him severely. He enjoyed the punishment by standing barefoot all day. Knowing his mistake, he accepted that punishment from his heart. It was like accepting that whatever was good or bad, he had joy and sorrow throughout his life. He accepted it with pleasure. He never had any complaint with anyone. This became the role of Babaji's light life. In school itself, he got lessons of service and truth, and these lessons kept illuminating his life. Jail Baba Godriwala Jail Baba Gilaram.